All right, so I have serged both of my inner leg seams, so the next step is to insert them. So I've turned one of my legs inside out and one of them right side out. If you don't have a pretty side or an ugly side, now that you've serged this and sewed where the seam is, that becomes your ugly side. So I'm gonna take my pretty side and put it into the ugly side here. And I'm gonna reach in from the bottom to pull it down. And so my pretty sides are gonna match up. And this takes a little bit of time to get it just right, but it's worth it. So remember earlier when I said that your stuff would match up, your notches, so this is what I was talking about. The other stuff down there doesn't really matter right now, so just focus on this. So if you can see, this is kind of like a U, and that's why we call it the U seam. And I'm gonna take time here and match up my notches first, and they will match up perfectly because I cut them out together. Then I'm gonna come over here and match up these notches right here. And they match up perfectly. And then right down here. So I have these two seams. I'm gonna come together and make sure that these line up perfectly. You will get points for matching these up perfectly. And then your seam you can just push to the side. So I'm gonna pin that. And then I'm also, the next thing I'm gonna pin is the edges right here. And the edges down here. And then I'm just gonna fill in the pins where they need to hold. And again, you'll notice I'm pinning parallel. Take the time, make sure it's matched up. This is where it counts. One more right here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go sew it. And just to clarify, I'm sewing the U seam. So I'm gonna start here. I'm gonna sew a U and come back here. I'm not stitching this to this. I'm just stitching it the two layers, and I'll go show you how to sew that.